Okay, so I'm going on a wild camp weekend and I'm going to be doing the Mandip Way. So I'm just preparing what will go into my 36-litre rucksack because anything bigger than that I find extremely heavy. But it will be very compact, so we'll see how we go. I don't know whether everything will go in. So obviously let's just talk about priorities. So over here we have my bladder bag, which is absolutely essential. It does hold 3 litres, but I will probably only put 1.5 litres in on this journey because I'm actually carrying my tent and my sleeping bag, and I have my mat over here. So I'm going to need that space. But what I have got is the water filter, and anything en route, good streams and stuff, the water filter will filter up to 99% of water. I just have a little sitting mat, and over here I have my little stove and windbreaker for my stove. I've got some sunglasses and some reading glasses, night torch, a little bit of a first aid kit. I've got a sun hat and another little hat in case it gets cold overnight. However, it is supposed to be raining, which is why I've got my waterproof bottoms over there. I live with that little jacket. It goes on and off all day, so that just stays in the rucksack. But also I have my really light jacket that can be stuffed down the sides of an evening just in case I need it. And at the back there you will see some change of clothes, just to sleep in and what to wear the next day. And just in case I do get too wet on any level, there is a rotation. So obviously I've got my map and I have my phone charger. There's a whole selection of food here, but I still think I'm going to have to reduce that. But anyway, let's see how we go. And then I have my little toilet bag, which is used, my little purple one, for when I'm en route, and it can be swilled at streams and it can be washed in tumble dryer and it can be reused. It's just absolutely invaluable for me, especially in menopause. When I've got to go, I've got to go. And then I've got here my actual toiletries, which is great. And then these bags here are just to divide things up into your rucksack so you know what you're taking. So I'm going to see what I can get in the rucksack and we'll go from there. So I'm pleased with that. I've got it all in. On the outside of the rucksack is a bag of food which will slowly go down over the weekend, so that can just be placed within the rucksack at the end. It's not going to be light, I know that. And yes, by rights I should go up an extra size in rucksack. However, I've got very light stuff in there in the sense of tent and mat. The heaviest thing in there is my sleeping bag, to be fair, but I do like comfort, so that's the sacrifice I make. Yeah, so trip is ready and I'm ready to go.